Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Coin. Binance Coin, or BNB, is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance exchange, one of the largest in the world. It was initially launched on the Ethereum blockchain, but later migrated to Binance's own chains. BNB serves multiple purposes within the Binance ecosystem, making it a versatile digital asset for users. Acquiring Binance Coin is straightforward. The easiest method is to buy it directly on the Binance exchange using fiat currency, like US dollars, or by swapping it with other cryptocurrencies you already hold. You can link your bank account or a debit card to your Binance account for quick and convenient purchases, making the process very accessible. One of the most popular uses for BNB is to reduce your trading fees. Simply navigate to your Binance account settings and enable the option to use BNB to pay for fees. This automatically applies a discount to your trading costs, which can be a significant saving, especially for active traders. The exact discount percentage may change, so always check current rates. Beyond fee reductions, Binance Coin has many other applications. You can use BNB for various online payments, including booking travel accommodations. It's also essential for participating in new token sales on Binance Launchpad, giving you early access to promising projects. Furthermore, you can stake your BNB to earn rewards and engage with decentralized finance, or DeFi, applications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.